All right, we got the CSX QV1719 westbound mixed freight train. It's on its way to the near Gore, West Virginia, heading west to the Hepzibah, West Virginia, Route 1920 north and southbound grade crossing. So let's check it out. Here we go. It's coming around the curve bend, the green crossing the US Route 50 overpass bridge. Steady she goes. Where it can possibly be? I hear something. It's coming across the bridge. Where is he? I hear something. I see light. There you are. There she is. Get ready. Here comes the past the whistle post. Oh! 53-37. Awesome way to lose. Woo! 52-01. 52-01. 45-13. 40-84. Wow! Nice. That's one. Nice one, man. Unbelievable. There's an empty military container train. They're taking them over by the QV17 westbound mixed freight train. Is that nice? That really is beautiful. But wait, there's more. Pennsylvania than that is. There's gonna be another train, but it won't last long, man. Time is running out. Seminar on the train is CSX QV1719 westbound mixed freight train. Originates from the from Cumberland, Maryland yard to Queensgate Yard, Cincinnati, Ohio. That often works with Kaiser, Grafton, and Russell, Kentucky Yard run en route. On this beautiful, nice, warm day here on March 19th, 2022, for Josh Ryan on my YouTube channel. So, this is Josh Ryan, your local Central West Virginia radio fan, and we are out. Alright, we got the CSX QV1619 eastbound mixed freight train. Headed towards the NMD Tower, passing me to the Glen Elk, heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Here we go. It's got less than 2 miles away from the approaching AMD tower. Less than 2 miles away. I heard the end of the train device sound, beaming on that noise. Where is he? Still right behind the AMD tower was hiding places. Where is he? Where it can possibly be? It's a beautiful day, spring there. There he is! Get ready! He's coming to... 5 minutes later, we catch a train to CSX eastbound QV16 headed towards the Commoner, Maryland on that track 2 on our main line on that level. Looking for a nice new boxcar logo with the ET44 ES44AC liter Gevo engine. Train QV16 is heading from the Queensgate Cincinnati Yard to the Commoner, Maryland that often works for the Russell, Kentucky Yard to the Grafton and Kaiser Rutland route. There she is, number 897. Hey, woo! Awesome white salute right there. 897, 5285, 8900 st70ah. We built a new locomotive. Nice! That's how we do it! Diamond! Until recently that day, the still remaining on the crew change pointed on the CSX Queensgate Yard from Cincinnati, Ohio. Headed to get some mixed freight trains headed to depart the yard from the Queensgate Yard in Cincinnati, Ohio in 2022. However, the still remaining on the crew change point headed towards across the bridge into the state line of Kentucky, headed towards the West Virginia on the Canal sub. However, we're going to have to pick up some more mixed freight train at the Russell, Kentucky Yard on the CSX Big Sandy subdivision on this headed towards the eastbound towards West Virginia to Grafton Yard and the Kaiser, West Virginia to pick up some more freight trains on this line. However, is there anything remaining on the CSX mixed freight train? Still running about the mile down on the short line sub. the beginning of the train, but it won't last long, man. Time is running out. Summon on the train to see is XQ31619, eastbound mixed freight train. Originates from the Queens Gate Yard from Cincinnati, Ohio, to the Cumberland, Maryland Yard. That often works for the Russell, Kentucky, to the Grafton and Kaiser Yard en route. Here on the spring warmer day on the March 19th, 2022, for Josh Ryan on my YouTube channel. So, this is Josh Ryan, your local Central West Virginia Area fan, and we are out. Let's get the next video train